Hello, through this video we will see different laws of thermal radiation. First we will see the Planck's law of radiation. Planck's law is a statement which allows us to calculate the value of the monochromatic emissive power of a black surface. According to the Planck's statement, it is mathematically written as emissive power, that is E lambda of a black body at particular wavelength at particular temperature, is equal to pi times intensity of radiation at the same wavelength of a black body, that is equal to C1 divided by lambda raised to 5 multiplied by E raised to C2 by lambda T minus 1, where the C1 and C2 are the first and second radiation constants, which are equal to C1 is equal to 3.742 into 10 raised to 8 watt into micrometer raised to 4 per meter square. This is also equal to, this can also be calculated by 2 pi h CO square, and the value of C2 is equal to 1.439 into 10 raised to 4 micrometer Kelvin. That is also calculated by using the formula Hc0 by K of B. Here in this formula, E is the emissive power of a black body at particular wavelength and temperature, and I is intensity of radiation, lambda is the wavelength. The outcome of the Planck's law is like this: the emitted radiation varies continuously with the wavelength. At any wavelength, the magnitude of the emitted radiation increases with increasing temperature. The spectral region in which the radiation is concentrated depends on the temperature, with comparatively more radiation appearing at the shorter wavelengths as the temperature increases. A significant fraction of the radiation emitted by the sun, which is approximated as a black body at 5800 Kelvin, is in the visible region of the spectrum. In contrast, for temperature of 800 Kelvin, emission is predominantly in the infrared region of the spectrum and is not visible to the eye. If the above Planck's law, if it is being differentiated with respect to the lambda and setting the result equal to 0, we will get lambda max and T, that is product of lambda max into T, will be equal to one constant C3. This is called as Wien's displacement law. Have a look on this video. EB lambda is equal to C1 divided by C2 by lambda T raised to 5 multiplied by E raised to lambda minus 1 is the Planck's law. After differentiating this with respect to lambda and then equating it to 0, we are going to get the final equation as the product of lambda and T, that is maximum wavelength and the absolute temperature, that will be equal to 0.002898 meter Kelvin, which is called as the Wien's displacement law. This equation can also be written as product of lambda and T is equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin. So this equation is called as Wien's displacement law. According to the Wien's law, if the locus of the points are plotted in a graph as shown in this slide, it will produce a dotted line like this, which is called as a Wien's displacement law. According to this graph, the maximum spectral emissive power is displaced towards the shorter wavelengths with increasing temperature. and with increasing temperature, as shown here, the wavelength goes on reduces so as to give the higher spectral emissive power. Now we'll see the third law of radiation, that is Kirchhoff's law. According to this, emissivity of a surface is equal to its absorptivity when the surface is in thermal equilibrium with the surroundings. That is, mathematically epsilon is equal to alpha. The next law in the radiation is the well-known Stefan-Boltzmann's law. This law states that emissive power of a black body is directly proportional to the fourth power of the absolute temperature of the body. That is, EB is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. In order to remove the proportionality of a constant, sigma is added. So therefore, EB is equal to sigma into T raised to 4, where sigma is called the Stefan-Boltzmann constant, whose values in SI unit is 5.6687 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. So this is all about the different type of the radiation laws in the radiation chapter. Thank you for watching this video.